it depends on what kind of phone you have. Long tap your screen. If you have an Apple phone, that's what I have. I'm not sure how to do it on Androids, but long tap your screen and it'll say hide comments if you want to do that. Put some more in on this side. Okay, Android is swipe right. Thank you. Like, put your finger on the screen and hold it down, and then it'll say clear comments if you have an Apple. That's what I do when I watch lives. I clear comments so I can see the whole screen. I'm glad you like it. Hi, King. King, I was just thinking about you the other day. Oh, good. No, 60 cans won't go into this one. They'll go into the other tote. We have 2 totes and 2 pools today. But I have all the 60 cans open. That's what I did during the, whatchamacallit. Thank you, Pink. That's what I did during my intermission. I opened all the cans so that when we do it, we could just dump. Thank you, Marie. Yes, the pool in the back right here is all powder. Yes, it is. Okay, let's add some more to this. Stick with me, Tabitha. I do weird stuff. Hi, Squeeze. Oop, oop. Thank you, Brandy. Can you guys see all the colors? Hi. Thank you, Ta. Thank you, thank you. Oh, well, I just come up with random things. Some are bad ideas, some are good. I'm back. I just took a short break. Drink some water, sit down. My legs were tired, my back was tired, but now I'm good. My suitcase? What suitcase? Hello. It's cool because the laundry powder just like melts into the liquid. It doesn't like overflow the pool right away. Aw, thanks, Mommy. Yeah, we're sold out. Yes, so much delectable powder. I think my iPad's in the way for anybody just joining. Can you guys see that? Oh. Oh, sorry, Brandy. Yeah, I like it. It's a good thing that laundry does that. No, it's laundry powder. But there's baking soda mixed in there with it. Let's put some more. We are gonna put cans in our other tote, but in this one's laundry. Unless you guys want to put some cans in here. But I think we have enough laundry powder for this one. What do you guys think? Think we have enough laundry powder for this one? We could put some of the laundry powder in the other little tote, our laundry tote too, over there. Sierra. Sierra has fun answering questions. Thank you, Sonia. Thank you, everybody. Okay, let's put some more in. Oh, thank you, Laura. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for helping me plan. Thank you for putting in so much. I appreciate you so much. Hey, Lixie. Hi. Yes, Leo. Jules and Leo. They're still here. They're behind me. We'll see if we go back to them. depend on you guys if you want to. Okay, I think we're good. Laura, I texted my daughters yesterday to ask them if they would come help me with my ride because it was going to be a lot of work. And they said, Mom, why don't you come over here and do it? I said, no way, it's too much stuff to bring all the way there. Pack up in the car and everything. I need a truck. So that didn't work. Oh, yeah. Let's put a lot of this. Pup is running around the yard, guys. He was in the house earlier, now he's out here with me. It's from the mica powder. It wants to stay pink so bad. Yes. Or else I'll feel like a failure if I don't use it all tonight. We should just put the liquid into into the powder one, huh? And then slowly squeeze it down. Yes, yes, look at you guys. You guys want to do that? Put some liquid in our hole right there. Yeah, my mods are serious. Source. This is Sponge Squeezing ASMR if you're new here. My name is Autumn. This is a pool full of multiple liquids, mostly dish soaps. We're putting all that powder mixed with this today. And yeah. Please follow. The mosquito hit me. I gotta go spray my mosquito stuff on again. They're just biting me. Hold on, guys. Mosquito repellent time.